A search is unfolding right now in D.C. after a 5-year-old on a scooter was hit by a driver and critically injured. Thanks so much for joining us for News 4 at 6. I'm Mauricio Casillas. This is the second case in our region over the past few days where a young child on a scooter has been hit by a driver. This latest incident happened last night in Southeast just before 7 on Ridgecrest Court. Police say the driver was traveling at a high rate of speed. News 4's Dominique Moody joins us live now from the neighborhood. Dominique, what can you tell us about the car that police are searching for right now?
Yeah, Mauricio, we know that this is a dark blue Nissan that police say that they are still working to look and locate for. And they say that the driver apparently was speeding throughout a parking lot when he hit that 5-year-old and ultimately landed the 5-year-old in the hospital. Now, we were in the neighborhood a couple of minutes ago just to try to see if we could talk with anyone. A lot of people were still shaken up by this situation. In addition to that, we know that, again, that this was a dark blue Nissan that investigators say was speeding through part of a neighborhood in Southeast. They say that 5-year-old was on an electric scooter after the collision with the driver left the scene. Now, the 5-year-old remains in the hospital with life-threatening injuries. Police say it happened on Friday night inside of a parking lot around 6:45 and not on a public roadway. This comes as D.C. police say the Nissan involved in the hit and run has a Virginia license plate that reads TAK 9548. Now, the tragic collision comes one day after a 9-year-old boy was killed in a Fairfax County neighborhood on Thursday. Police say the 9-year-old was riding on an electric scooter and collided with a minivan on Madden Court near Sully Square. Investigators say the driver of the minivan was obeying the speed limit and remained on scene. The child was not wearing a helmet at the time of the accident. According to the law, those under the age of 15 are required to wear a helmet when on an electric scooter or bike. Now, if you have any information about both of these cases, you are asked to contact police. Back to you.
All right, Dominique, thanks so much. That search continues in D.C. for that driver.